Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite, at the first you have to open your calendar, so you are able to find it in most cases in your home screen, but in this case we have to go for our tools folder, and it's not here also, so let's check it second time. Cleaner, gallery, Play Store. Okay, it will be in the Google folder because we got here only the Google calendar. In the older version of XIAOMI smartphones, we got also their own application of the calendar, like in the browser case. Here we can find the Mi browser and Google Chrome, of course, right? But with the calendar, we are only with the Google calendar, so we have to go for the Google folder. After that, you have to swipe, then tap that we got it. And at the first, let's swipe like that, and then pick the day when you want to set up your event. I will go for the first day, then click on this marker, select event. At the first we have to add title, and in the next steps we can, for example, add location, notification, we can add some description, or even add people here, so we can customize a lot of things. And if you finish with everything, you have to tap on the right upper corner to save, and as you can see, here we got our event. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.